Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Tuesday, April 16th, 2013. Well, a change of trend today. The candle we're analysing is this large white body candle, the second last candle here on the chart. That final candle is still developing. But a change of trend with this candle making a higher high and a higher low. Previous days trading we had the sellers attempting to take control of this market, but they were interacting with the very strong support at the 130.25 level. Previous resistance in the recent past and previously support, and for 1, 2 and now 3 days including today, the 130.25 level has held as solid support, so a very important area for this market. A very large white body candle today. The buyers have come back into this market very strongly. For the previous day's trading, the momentum had swung to the sellers and we hadn't seen that type of momentum for some time, but today the buyers have really matched that in a very decisive manner. The amount of momentum that we've seen from the buyers has been almost twice the amount that we saw from the sellers for the previous day's trading. So a day where the buyers have made a substantial amount of net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close. They've closed with this market, with very strong control, and they've shown some very strong commitment throughout the trading day, opening the market down towards the low and closing up towards the high. One problem for the buyers, however, is that they've now interacted with a strong important area of resistance at 131.96, a previously important area, and we have seen some price rejection from there, as evidenced by this shadow on top of this candle. Not a strong amount of rejection, but still it could be significant. The other significant factor is that the market is now interacting with the cloud, and the Ichimoku cloud has the opportunity to offer itself as resistance now to this market. And we have seen this rejection here, and that could be significant, so it will be a strong barrier to this market trading higher. So this 131.96 level will be very important if this uptrend is going to continue. Now, in terms of the previous pattern that we saw this market trading in, and here we saw a flag pattern, and then the market was trading down, and another flag pattern. We were expecting a breakout to the downside, which we didn't see. The market did actually break out, but what we require for confirmation of the patterns is a close outside with the breakout. So broke out down there, broke out back up to the upside on the same candle, and closed up above in a very strongly bullish candle. Confirmation of that pattern. The target was the prior trend leading into the pattern, projected up from the breakout, and that gave us an area at 131.96, and today that target has been met. So that pattern has worked out to be very useful for us, as has this previous pattern. The market didn't quite reach that previous flag pattern, but for this most recent pattern the market has. Flag patterns tend to be continuation patterns. It's most likely that they will be, but you really do need to react to most patterns, and this one has been a reversal with this bullish close up above the top barrier, and now completion of it with the target being met. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci extension, and with the market trading in a first time frame uptrend, we're examining the relationship of this new first time frame uptrend to the previous time the market was trending up, and we saw the market interacting with the 38.2%, and we have closed in a bullish manner up above there. Our next target is the 50% at 132.17, and then above there the 61.8% at 132.64. So if this market does continue trending up, and there is a possibility that could happen, these are potential areas that we should be looking for weakness from the buyers, looking for the sellers to come in and look for a potential change of trend back to the downside. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement, the market has today traded through all of the important levels, the 38.2, 50 and 61.8%, and through the 100% in a very bullish manner. Tested to the 161.8%, we've seen some rejection from there. This does suggest there is a possibility of this market trading down from here, but the buyers are very strong in this market, as evidenced by this very large white-bodied candle, and there is no hint that the sellers are gaining any strength in this market except for this small amount of rejection. The fact that the market is trading here within the cloud does suggest and strengthen that possibility of potential sell-off based on this interaction with the 161.8%. So we should be looking to the bottom of this cloud now that the market is trading within the cloud, and at the moment we are seeing some buying coming in around that area, so let's watch that. But what we are looking for would be a potential breakout down below the cloud, and if we see bearish activity down below the cloud, then there is a possibility of the market retracing some of this first time frame uptrend that has been established. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, with the close of trading here today, the market has closed just at the bottom of the cloud, so technically we have a neutral market in big picture terms, so neither bullish nor bearish in terms of the overall bias, but a bullish market is maintained in the medium and fast term time frames by trading up above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, and that could be quite significant. We had the bullish breakout up above the Kijun-sen, the pink line here, about a week or two ago. It was a weak buy signal, but we have seen the market follow through and continue with some good bullish activity up above the Kijun-sen and maintaining that activity up above there. Just looking at the Tenkan-sen, the green line here at the moment, it is pointing up fairly sharply, reflecting some strong upside momentum that we're seeing in the market in that short-term time frame, and little wonder with this solid bullish candle that we've seen. So it is suggesting that there is potential for this market to trade higher. So this 131.96 level does become very, very important for this market, and we do need to watch that for tomorrow's trading, and trading has begun already. Potentially strong support down at 131.45, recently an area of resistance, and then down around the 130.79 level.